We are getting ready now to go to the new homes tour, our new home specialist. So if you're thinking of buying or selling a new home, so what happens is this. If you buy any of the new homes, we're going to guarantee the sale of your home. Buy any one of the new homes, you're going to guarantee the sale of your home. If you are thinking of buying a home, how it benefits you is number one, you get more access to homes that you cannot find it online. Homes that are hard to find online. And for the new homes, new construction, we have a special arrangement with the builders that exclusively for our clients. You're gonna save at least $10,000 guaranteed when you buy a new home. So that's really, really cool. So if you'd like to set up your private tour, we can do a private tour only for you and your family. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, to schedule your private tour of new homes, new construction, for sale by owners, bank foreclosures, homes that are hard to find online. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. And also for builders, if you are builders in the area, you know the biggest problem you have is that you're receiving offers, but the offer is subject to the sale of their existing home, right? So we eliminate that. Basically, how we eliminate that is that I'm gonna step in and I'm gonna guarantee the sale of the buyer's home. So when they put an offer on your new construction, the offer is a clean offer that's no longer subject to the sale of their existing home. Okay, so we are heading to our new homes builders construction. As you heard just now, we have a special relationship with the builders. These are homes that's not available on the public. So Janelle, you work a lot with our buyers' clients, right? So why would the buyers work with you over and above the other agents?
Well, because we have the homes that have not yet hit the internet, and we can save the buyers up to $10,000.
Right now we are going for our new homes tour, right? We have an exclusive relationship with the builders. But from your perspective, you work a lot with our buyers' clients.
Correct.
Can you share some of the benefits? Like if somebody was thinking of buying a house, why should I, as the buyers, work with you and our team here over and above? There's so many. In California, I think 1 out of 8 people have license. I think have more people have real estate license than people with a DMV license. Right?
Yeah, you can say that.
Yeah, I mean, so why are you guys so different?
So we can provide our clients list of homes that is not available online, and we also have other benefits that we can help to structure their offer as good as cash.
As good as cash?
Right.
We sell, I think, 40 houses without model homes. So people are buying $2 million houses, showing. We of course would have. We're very helpful. You know, we showed them pictures, we showed them floor plans. We sent them to other neighboring communities that were similar to the product we had. But people are willing to make that leap of faith just because of the unique builder that we are. People know our luxury standards, and they also know our location was superior to.
Okay guys, so join our VIP list, brand new homes. You're gonna get access to homes before Greg here put it on the MLS, before you can see on the internet. Plus, as our VIP list clients here, we're gonna give you access to homes, and you're gonna save at least $10,000 on your next home purchase. So buy these new homes, and we're gonna buy yours. So we are here with Greg Lee. He's the sales manager here at the Toll Brothers. So give a quick introduction. Number one, why Toll Brothers, and describe this specific.
Toll Brothers, we have amazing luxury experience here. Right now we're at Bella Vista in Irvine. Our homes here range anywhere from 4,300 to 5,500 square feet, priced in the low 2 millions. This location is bar none one of the most premier locations in Irvine.
If any one of our clients bought these new homes, anyone here, I'm gonna guarantee the sale of your home. So buy this new home, we're gonna put an offer, we're gonna guarantee the sale of your home. And just now we talk about our VIP clients list. Can you describe more about what is this VIP?
Oh yes, so in order to become one of our VIP buyers, we want you to fill out a pre-application worksheet that just involves you showing that you're interested in filling out your financials. By doing this, you get on our list and we actually give you the information of all of our releases prior to the public. So you kind of get exclusive information that you can act on before anybody else does.
I like that. So it's an exclusive proprietary information, homes that you cannot find online. And on top of it, for our VIP clients, we're gonna guarantee the sale of your home when you buy these new homes. So you don't have to put an offer and subject to the sale of your existing home. And only for our VIP clients, we're gonna throw in you save at least $10,000.
Here, our price range is starting off in the low 2 millions. After you purchase your home, you go to our design center, select your options and upgrades on what you want to customize. Typically, I would say on a percentage basis, so people usually upgrade between 8 to 15% of whatever home purchase price they do, and that would be a very normal number. Nationwide, we actually just won Forbes magazine, a very prestigious magazine. We were ranked the #1 builder in new home luxury. So of all the builders in the nation, Toll Brothers is actually #1.
First time.
Don't wait. That would probably be my best advice. The homes that we have here will not last forever. Every single month we actually have a new release, and every release we lose the amount of homes we have because we only have a certain number of houses we have for sale. So we're about halfway through the community. The sooner you come out and take a look at this, the faster you can get one of these before they run out. 126 homes here altogether. We've already sold 60 houses in the first year, which is by far way more than what we were hoping for when we first started. We were hoping to only sell 30 homes in the first year, and that would have been a good year, and we already sold 60. So they are going very quickly, and we probably won't be here for another year. So
and you don't even have, the house is not even built yet.
Yes, people were buying houses when the models weren't even done. And now that the models are done, they are actually selling a lot faster.
That's good. So good advice, don't wait, right? Because sometimes people say, well, it's never too late. Well, that's wrong. In the new home business, there is such thing as it is too late, because if the house is gone, what do you want me to do?
Yeah, then there's nothing left. So.
Yeah, like you cannot build a new one. It's already done. So that's it, guys. So for our VIP buyers clients, if you want to schedule a private tour of these new homes before these guys release it to the general public, call 626-789-0159. Again, 626-789-0159. Okay, guys, so we are here with Mike Lucasevich here at the New Homes office. So Mike, give us a little tour here, like what's going on?
12 months, we have sold about 59 homes. Our first section is phases 1 through 3. We have a couple few lots that are available for from our phase 3. This one actually has a nice city view that goes out towards the back here. And then we just started our fourth phase right here. All of the homes that would be right here are going to be view lots. And then these in the future will be view lots also up behind us. And then eventually we'll come down to where the models are, and there'll be some more view lots here.
When you buy any of your new homes here, we're going to guarantee the sale of their house.
Nice.
So that way, when they put an offer on your home, it's no longer subject to the sale of their existing home.
These are the 5 different floor plans that we do have. We have 3 of them models, which is the Altura, the Cielo, and the Lusso. Our Bellino and Takara floor plans are not models, but they are available to see that are being built.
Unless I live in this area and know that there are model homes, how would a typical new agent like me would know that there are model homes available?
So it's an exclusive. So this is that's why for our clients we're offering homes that's hard to find online. So in our team, we have to be proactively every day. We're looking for sources like, hey. So in our team, when you're thinking of buying a home, in addition to homes that you see online, we actually do a search and match analysis. We are looking for homes that match your criteria, including homes that's hard to find online. So for example, bank foreclosure, short sale, new homes, new construction. As our VIP buyers clients, how it benefits you is that you have priority access to all these new homes, including homes that's hard to find online before it's become available online. Alright, so all you need to do, you gotta make sure you're on our VIP list here, and to apply, call 626-789-0159. Again, 626-789-0159, and ask for, when you call, make sure you ask for a list of homes that's hard to find online.